Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier in Summit White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 28,000 miles on the odometer, an 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, a rear DVD entertainment system, power sunroof, third row seating, a power liftgate, and it's all powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8055A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.